welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So obviously, to get started, you'll want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to, I believe it's general management. Yep. And in here you'll find reset. When I select factory data reset, this gives you a message, a list of things that this will remove. So as you can see, we have things like accounts, apps, settings, downloaded or app data, music, photos, user data, and so on. So if there is anything on your phone that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now I'll also mention that some of the things you don't need to worry about, for instance Google accounts, this is an account you can just log in to it once the process is finished. Same goes with like app data, you can re-download the apps and the data will be basically regained. And same goes for downloaded apps. If you get them from Play Store, you can just easily re-download them. There's not much problem there. Now the thing that you might want to pay attention to is things like user data, so documents, photos, music, stuff like that, that you keep locally on your phone. So that's probably something that you might want to create a copy of if you want to keep it. But assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, click on Reset, delete all, and this will begin the process. Now this will take roughly like 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it is, we should be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.